In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can complete the trash in the treasures quest here in Arc Raiders. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But overall, this is pretty easy to do. Now, the quest requirements, in order to actually finish it, you're going to need 6 wires and 1 battery. But don't worry, that's literally it. You can find batteries, which are like small blue tech devices that you can pick up, and wires look like metal coils that look like scrap electronics. And the best areas to actually find these, and you can really do this anywhere on the map, but for example on Dam Battlegrounds, if you go to a place like the power generation complex up here, you're going to see these like little electric symbols. Any area on the map that has these electric symbols is going to be an area that you can get these in, whether it's batteries or wires. I would recommend going to an area that is highlighted in either yellow or red as well, just because it is a medium to high loot value zone, so you'll get even more loot here. But you can also loot places like cars, containers, lockers, or general scrap areas in order to get these. But these electric areas right here are going to have the highest chance of spawning both wires and batteries. When you do finish this, you do get the tactical MK and 3 adrenaline shots, which is pretty good. But that is it. That is how you can complete the trash in the treasures quest here in Arc Raiders. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.